Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Our product title is the value of cooperation, minimizing user cost in multi-brokers, mobile cloud computing networks. This is my abstract. So a mobile cloud computing model where multi-brokers assign cloud resources to mobile users. The model is characterized by heterogeneous cloud architecture, which includes a public cloud and a cloudlet, and by the heterogeneous pricing strategies of cloud service providers. In this setting, we investigate two classes of cloud reservation strategies, examine a competitive strategy and a compete then cooperate strategy as a performance bound. We provide theoretical results that demonstrate the existence of disagreement points, the equilibrium reservation strategy that no broker has incentive to deviate ultimately from, and convergence of the best response strategies of the brokers to disagreement points. The resulting optimal solution provides a lower bound on the achievable user cost without complete collusion among brokers. Okay, this is the flow diagram for the value of cooperation, minimizing user cost in multi-brokers mobile cloud computing network. So the first one is the user's registration. Every user has registered into the cloud. So first of all, I'm always said with every user has assigned some username and password for login to the page. The username and password both are correct, then only go for specified or particular page. The next one is the broker's home. The broker is the one of the communicator for the user and the cloudlet. Here the client server communication will be processed. The client is request to the server and the server is a response to the client. So the next for the broker is one of the communicator for the user and the clouder. Then the broker is collecting for the user details from the valid user to be produced the cloudlet. Again, cloudlet is the communicator between the broker and the cloud. The clouder is again collecting for user details from broker, and these are details send it to be storing on the cloud. So the cloud using we will secure our data easily. Finally, brokers using cost minimization is processed. Here which broker is expecting a low cost. This is the goal. The main goal is to be minimizing the user's cost. The users expecting low cost with high performance and efficient. Okay, this is our coding part for the value of cooperation, minimizing user cost in multi-brokers mobile cloud computing networks. This is the home page. When I click the home, it's go for next page. The next one is the login. So I'm always said with every user has assigned some username and passwords. This is our username. I enter the username and password, both are correct, then only go for specified page. This is the register for the login for existing users and the register for new users, both are correct, go for next page. The next one is the broker details. The broker is the one of the communicator. He is the communicator for the user and the cloudlet. This is the username. The username is Priya. The username is, and the broker name is Priya, the username is Harne. So file chooser using, I'm choosing particular file. So this is our file. For example, this is our file. So this is the key. The file mode is encrypt. The file.jpg, for example, the file is encrypted mode to be stored in the broker. So the details are stored in the database. This is the client server communication. The client is a request to the server and the server is a response to the client. Okay, this is the server page. So the client is request to the server is request to the client. Here the server or broker is processed to the clients, what is the user details to be satisfied the server. So this is the security purpose using mode. This is the security mode using file encryption. This is the cryptographic concept. Cryptographic means encrypt and decrypt the data. So file chooser using, I'm choosing particular file. This is our file name. So when I click to encrypt, the data will be encrypted. So next, this is the one of the page. So this page, the browser is storing the data to the cloud. Choose broker. So choose your broker name. The broker name is Priya. The username is, I enter the username. Username is Harni. File chooser using, I'm choosing particular file. When I click to the broker, the details are stored into the database. Okay, next. Okay, so here the broker sharing the cloudlet information. The broker is storing the user details and to be stored in the cloudlet. So the broker name is Yamuna, username is John. The username is John. File chooser using, I'm choosing particular key. The key will be displayed. The cloudlet information, the cloudlet name on the file mode is encrypt or decrypt. So the file mode is encrypt. The process is complete or not completed. So when I click the detail, the cloudlet, the details are stored into the cloudlet. Okay, next. Okay, so now the cloudlet is stored into the cloud. The cloudlet to process is completed. The broker name is Priya. Username is Harini. File chooser using, I'm choosing particular key. The key will be generated. File chooser using, I'm choosing particular file. Okay, so when I click to store, the details are stored into the cloud. Okay, again we will view the page. This is the use course the users are get to be stored into the cloud. Okay, so this is the page. For the cost minimization, the main goal is to minimize the user's cost. So how to calculate the user's cost? Okay, so I'm choosing the broker name. The username is Harini. So click the minimize button. So these are the three types of cost: low cost, high cost and medium cost. Which user is expecting the low cost? So the user satisfaction is the main goal. So the user is satisfaction. So the user is expecting which broker has expecting a low cost and which user gives the high satisfaction and the high performance and the efficient to be expected. Thanks for listening.